Pit Boss Austin XL pellet smoker. It just picked it up at Walmart today. Took me probably about an hour to assemble. I have a assembly video that I'm going to be putting out, so check out for a link for that. And just wanted to show it off here. So this is the controller. You can see it goes from smoke all the way to high, or 475. You can change the P setting on there, which will give you more or less smoke. Has two inputs for probes, which actually this smoker came with the two probes that you can put into your meat, and also has a small axis hole. You can see the auger, and that moves when the smoker's on. Feeds the pellets from underneath and pushes them into the cooking chamber. Pretty solid unit. Overall weighs about 200 pounds. So I was able to assemble by myself with some ingenuity there, but not too bad. There's a little holder for the cord. You can also change out the pellets here. If you unscrew that, it'll come right out the bottom here. And that slips right in there. Has a cool shelf at the bottom. There's solid wheels in the back, and then casters up front. Has a really cool stainless steel tray. It's actually removable. See two probes there. You can take this with you. Has some spots for hanging your tongs and spatulas and all that. Smoke stack, which is adjustable, comes in and out. Down at the bottom here, you can see where all the grease will come out when you're cooking. And it does have a thermostat here. I don't usually use that one. It's usually not very accurate, but it comes in handy to know if it's on or not. And let's go and open this up. So it's supposed to have 1,000 square inches of cooking space. That includes this top shelf here, so it's not quite 1,000. I believe but we'll check that. But looking inside here, you can see the probe, which gives you the temperature on the inside, which is what this the actual controller reads. And then down below here is the actual pellet pot. Alright, so I wanted to show you, this has actually a searing, so the actual cooking pot's down right below, and you can move that over if you're going to be grilling or you want to sear a steak, and so you can get direct flame on it. Alright, so I took the metal protective plate out, which you can see down there, that's the burn pot, and then the auger feeds the pellets right through here into the burn pot. So this is an igniter. It only stays on for 2 minutes till the actual pellets catch fire, and then after that it turns off, and then it just keeps getting fed by the auger and then the fan that it has to maintain temperature. So that's just a really quick look at this Austin XL made by Pit Boss. I'm really impressed with the way it's built. Seems very solid. Love the rack at the bottom. Wheels seem pretty easy to move around, and we'll see how it controls the temperature. And also right here you can see when you fill up with pellets that you see how many you have. So hope that helps you out, and again, look out for my assembly video, and then also some cooking videos later on. All right, take care. Till next time.